What's going on YouTube? Found me some slip-ons, man, on Amazon. No, these was on eBay. It was like $135. These are the, they don't have the title. These are the DNA Megaphone 4-inch. DNA Megaphone 4-inch exhaust. Now, the originals are already pretty loud and deep. I'm not going to turn it back up. But I was wanting to show y'all, in case anybody's getting these DNA pipes, man. They're super clean. I think it was $135. Got the 4-inch, man, so these bad boys gonna be putting out some sound, some noise. Yeah, man, forgive me, man. I'm all over the place with this phone. But anyway, so I think got the little cone shape to it. These are the DNA 4-inch megaphones. They came from California. And I guess these are the regulars on the 2006 Roadglide. We're gonna see what they hitting for, man. We're gonna see what they hitting for. I like these anyway because they stick out, but I knew it was gonna have the round tip to it. So if you're thinking about the DNA 4-inch megaphones, I will make a follow-up video after I put them on and let y'all know. All right.